We were looking for ways to move forward, and we realised that to move forward, we needed to step back. Where are we heading? Towards zero. Introducing the Trinity Zero, the coffee press with purpose. After years of design iterations, we deconstructed the coffee making process entirely. We wanted to reduce the environmental impact of each component to its minimum. The result is an ultra-portable coffee press with a unique low environmental footprint that you can take anywhere, from home to the highest peaks. To brew, fill the coffee basket with up to 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. Our reusable stainless steel filter creates a clean cup without consuming messy paper filters or pods. Fill the water chamber to the line marking shown. Give the water some time to soak through the grounds. Next, place on the lid and then use your thumb to pressurize the chamber. Press, hold, then repeat until all the water has been pressed through. Add hot water or milk to your pressed coffee shot, creating the perfect cup in just 60 seconds. We have started our journey to minimize our manufacturing impacts, and we are planning to do a whole lot more for social and environmental causes. We invite you to join us as we step towards zero.